Hello friends, in this tutorial we are going to learn about trees. Tree is one type of data structure, as we have seen in the beginning of the that is in the introduction of the data structures, that it is one type of data structure which is a compound data structure and which is a non-linear data structure. Trees, it is non-linear data structure, and the trees consist of nodes, as we have seen in the heap sort. How the tree is represented. Tree is represented like this: nodes. This is a node, and every tree have one root, only one root, that is at level 0, which is like a parent. This is the root node of the tree, and a node can consist of many children. It can have many children. And tree is a formulates, like, tree is one kind of hierarchical structure. Tree represents hierarchical structure, that is like parents, children, their grandchildren or grandparents, cousins, sisters, siblings, and all those things. Tree represents it in a hierarchical way. It's like a family tree. And every node in the tree is an element. 1, 2, 3. All these are elements or data which is present in the nodes. And we have level of trees. We have many levels for trees. Let's take an example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is level 0. This is level 1. This is level 2. This is level 3. And the first node in the tree represents root node. I already told here. Always root node points to the level 0 element. Level 0. And the level 1, level 2, level 3, all these are children of the root 1. Level 0 elements are here 1, level 1 elements are 2, 3, level 2 elements are 4, 5, 6, 7, level 3 elements are 8 and 9. And here 2, 3's parent is 1. Element 2, 3's parent is 1. Element 4, 5's parent is 2. 6, 7 parent is 3. Elements 8, 9's parent is 4. This is the parent. And 1 is the root node, but parents are different and root is different. But mostly we consider this root node as the parent, the main parent. And a tree can have many number of parents, but it can have only one root. And 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5 are siblings, 6, 7 are siblings, 2, 3 are siblings, and 4, 5 are cousins to 6 and 7. Got to know? And next, 4, 5's grandparents is 1. 8, 9's grandparent is 2. 8, 9's great grandparent is 1. That is ancestors. In this way, we can say that hierarchically how these trees are represented. Tree is non-linear data structure. It comprises of nodes. Nodes consist of elements, and the tree comprises of levels. And level 0, we will have only one root. A tree can have only one root, and it can have many parents, and it can have many childrens. And parents, children's, ancestors, grandparents, siblings, and cousins, all we will get to know in this trees. It's like a family tree. Trees represent hierarchical structure. It says about a hierarchy. And now what is an edge? Every node in the tree is an edge. Every node in the tree is an edge. Every node in this tree is edge. Node comprises of elements. So how can we say how many number of edges are present in a tree? Number of edges or number of nodes present in a tree will be represented by a formula 2 power n plus 1 minus 1. 2 power h plus 1 minus 1, and where h is level of the tree. We know levels, level 1, level 2, level 3. So if we say if the level of the tree is 7, let's take level of the tree is 3. When level of the tree is 3, that is h equal to 3. 2 power h plus 1 minus 1 is 2 power 3 plus 1 is 4 minus 1. 2 power 4 is 16 minus 1, that is 15. If we complete this tree, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 elements are there in this tree, right? That is 15 nodes or 15 edges or 15 elements are present in this tree. If we know the level, how many levels are there, we can know how many nodes are there in this tree. So in this way, we got to know what is a tree, how the tree is represented, what a tree comprises of, everything we got to know. In the further tutorials, we will learn more about the trees, like binary trees, binary search trees, avial trees, bee trees, and all those things in the next tutorial. So if you like this video, please do like, share, comment, subscribe. Please click on the bell icon so that you will get to know about the new notifications of the videos which we upload. Thank you.